Hello first grade, Mr. Mush here. So this week we learned about organic and geometric shapes. Geometric shapes look like our traditional shapes like squares, triangles, stars, circles, things like that. And organic shapes are shapes that look like things or shapes that you can make up like clouds, tree shape, dog shape, things like that. Things that don't exactly have an exact shape. Okay? So we're going to make an abstract piece that combines geometric shapes and organic shapes. So let's get started. So your paper should be hamburger style, left to right. I'm going to write my name, Mr. Mush. Okay. And I'm going to start with a big circle in the middle. Okay. And now I'm going to pick two geometric shapes to put besides the circle, like this. Okay, I'm going to do a big triangle over here and a big square over here. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw two more geometric shapes connecting to these geometric shapes. So I'm going to draw a rectangle like this. Notice how I'm overlapping my shapes. It's really important you do that. Okay, I'm going to do a hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. All right, so now I have my geometric shapes. Now I'm going to draw my organic shapes. Okay. So now I'm going to probably do one in each corner and then make sure they overlap my shapes right here. Okay, so I'm going to do like a droopy shape. I'm going to draw like an alligator shape like that. I'm going to do like a cactus shape like that, and then I'm going to do I don't know, a cloud shape here. And then the last thing I want you to do is maybe add shapes that you feel like you need to add. So I'm going to do another square or rectangle right there. Okay. So now I have my shapes, they overlap. Now I need to color in my project. So now I'm going to color it in. And what helps me is I go over my lines like this, right? But make sure that when you're coloring, you color and you get to the line. Should I just go over and not respect the line? No, I'm going to stop. I'm coloring in this red, right? I'm going to color this in red. And I get to the line and I stop. Okay, so wherever there's a line, you have to stop. You got to stay inside the lines. It's very important that you stay inside the lines for this project. It's really important. And I'm staying inside the lines and it's all red. But when I get to the part where, I don't want to color over the line, I stop and I change the color like that. I stop and I change the color just like that. And you're going to do that for the entire project. Just like this, okay? See how I'm stopping and going? Okay, I'm going to take some pink and I'm coloring around everything like this. Because even when you draw the shapes, it creates more shapes all around it. Like this pink shape right here. See that? Looks pretty cool. And then I'm going to color in here. I'm coloring around my shapes. I'm not going over my lines. Wherever there's a line, I stop. And I make sure I'm coloring inside the line. Even if it's super tiny, like this tiny little triangle right there. Okay. I'm going to color. No, I can't do orange. I'll do this dark green. I'm staying inside the lines, So I'm gonna, let me see, I want my regular blue here. Just like that. And then I'm gonna color like that. Make sure you stay inside the line. See all the different shapes it's making? Pretty neat, huh? So I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna add some brown right here. I'm gonna do a little bit of purple, some yellow right there. I'm gonna do some red for this tiny little triangle right there. Do some orange for this little shape. I'm gonna do some pink right here for the little triangle. Do some gray right here for this little triangle. Okay, some purplish blue. All right. Okay. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much what you have to do. I'm coloring in over here. I'm coloring my big spaces. Okay, I'm gonna color a big space over here. Okay, I'm coloring around my cloud shape. I'm coloring in over here. And even down here, because it doesn't stop. I'm going to color in everything, and then I'm going to color this in. Just like that. And then just make sure you stay inside the lines. Okay, so I'm going to do green shape here, and I'm going to do the green here. And notice how I'm staying inside the lines. Everything looks really nice. I'm going to color in my cloud right here. I'm going to color that in red. And like I said, it helps to outline. So go over your lines. Just like that. I'm going to color in my cactus shape right here. I'm respecting the lines. I'm not going over. Just like that. I'm staying inside the lines. Okay. And I need to get this right here. Okay, and then get the little shapes right there. I'm going to get this one here too. So don't forget the little shapes that are made. I'm going to color this in. Color this little shape in right here. I'm going to color this shape right here. Remember, stay inside the lines. Don't rush. Okay, I'm going to color that shape. I'm going to color this shape a peachy color. Okay, I'm going to color the circle red. Right here, I'm staying inside the lines. Remember, stay inside the lines. Wherever there's a line, you stop. Change colors, just like that. I'm gonna do this color here. Gonna do the pink right here and the pink right there. I'm gonna do orange for this part of the cloud right here. And then I'm gonna do yellow. And I'm almost done. Okay, I'm gonna do a little green right here. And then I'm gonna do, to finish it off, my triangle shape right here. And there you go, there's the project, okay? So that's what you need to do. Take your time, don't rush, and stay inside your lines. Make sure your shapes overlap and make sure your project looks something similar to mine. If you like the shapes that I drew, follow along with me. If not, pick your own shapes, organic shapes, and draw what you like. Okay, fifth grade, that's not until a long time. Okay, first grade, until next time, take care.